Hey guys, welcome back to Zandergdrive, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Frankly speaking, there's no ideal product or service in the world. And the reason for that is simple. Our community is constantly changing, and brand new technologies are popping up, and the customers' needs are evolving. That's not to say that there isn't problems in the world that need solutions. However, of all the brands that have evolved during this era of new technologies, looking from the outside, it seems like any business that you find has a way of solving your problem, one way or the other. All thriving companies strive for upgrading their products and services to withstand the competition and cater to customer demands. It's so easy now to put yourself out there, start a business, and customers expect brands to continually wow them with new products or product features. Any business owner should be able to offer something advanced from time to time. As a business owner, it's important to keep up with the constant dynamics of every industry, or else you're gonna fall flat and not achieve your goals. We see it happen often that businesses or brands are now in the rush to be the leader in the market, and they often overlook the essential. It happens because the majority of business owners tend to think about the technical side of a product first. Sometimes they disregard the future impact a newly implemented feature will have on their customers. So this video is basically showing you how other small businesses use already existing products to create a better and more improved version of that product. You don't always have to be innovative, just be different. That is your selling point. Product improvement is aimed at bringing about significant changes with the purpose of getting new clients, retaining existing users or customers, and recapturing those that you've lost. The basis of improving products could be adding fresh features or upgrading existing ones. Any little way that you find to enhance something will give you the value proposition and expand the target audience base. Sometimes you even do it for yourself without any intention of reselling whatever it is you're improving, but because it's something you wanted for yourself. The likelihood of someone asking you where you purchased that item or where you got it basically is a reason why you could possibly have a business idea on your hands. But in the context of business owners, it will drive value for existing customers and in turn contribute to building brand loyalty. Innovations are definitely risk-taking, and you never know how your business will look like after and what results you are going to achieve. But if you shape a product improvement plan the right way, you have all the chances to hit the mark. The truth is, one of the toughest jobs while starting your business is figuring out a unique product to set yourself apart from the competition. The product should be unique yet appealing, solving your target audience's problems. If you are selling a popular and widely available product, of course its demand would be high. However, with high demand comes a competitive market with more established companies. So for this reason, you can find ways to revamp the product that's already in demand. You just find a way to make it better or different. Like this girl here who sells bedazzled Uggs. They have these cute little bows. It's something different. It's not your typical Ugg shoes. Creativity is key to generating unique product ideas that separate small businesses from the competition. One way of coming up with this business idea that basically improves a product that already exists is to observe the market trends, specifically in the industry that you're interested in, and see what people are saying about this new trend. I feel like Twitter is one of the most honest platforms that we have, and people are gonna go there and express their frustrations, how they feel about products, or sometimes when you're just scrolling down on TikTok, you can come across products where you can check the comments and see what people are saying. I promise you, you will find all the consumer preferences. I've seen a lot of small businesses testing products before going all out and investing into it, because sometimes they just do it for themselves. Like I said, they just find something that you have in the house that you want to look a certain way, you do it yourself, and then you share it with everyone, and everyone asks you, oh my goodness, where did you buy that? Or they'll even ask you themselves if you can make it and resell to them. When deciding on a business idea, it's also important to consider its sustainability and social impact. A good example is dropshipping products. They're not really scalable or sustainable. People just get into it for the hype, and after some time, it slowly dies down and they move on to the next product. Another great example is this small business that makes jelly soaps. I don't know how they make it, but they have a whole TikTok page dedicated to making their products, and that helps them as well. They have an organic audience that can shop their products because they show them the process of how they make it, and it's interesting. It's something that's never really been done before, or it's not really something you find in the store. Personally, I've never seen any jelly soap in store, so this is pretty interesting and something I'd buy just to see what it's like to have it. Honestly, the opportunities of starting a business are infinite, so get started, and if you have a fresh new idea, that's even better. But if you don't, it's okay to try to improve an already existing product based off of your own personal use, or maybe your close friends and family. Anyway, I just want to close this by saying a lot of business owners didn't go to college to get started on their businesses. All you need to do is to take a leap of faith and get started. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.